Peeqo, say hi to everyone. Hi, I'm Abhishek, and this is Peeqo, the only robot in the world to respond entirely through videos and GIFs.
Say what?
So what can Peeqo do for you? Well, since I spend long hours in front of the computer, I use mine to stay productive. Keep me off Reddit when I should be working.
Whoa, stop, dude! What are you doing?
Remind me to drink water regularly. And for those times when all I need is a quick pick-me-up. Peeqo, I just can't do this.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
But of course that's not all.
Wait a minute. You ain't heard nothing yet.
You can use him for all kinds of tasks. Peeqo, set a timer for 20 minutes.
You got it, dude.
Peeqo, turn off the lights. He will come as an affordable, easy to build kit, so you get to put him together yourself. He has an impressive screen for an expressive face, a microphone array so he can hear you,
I am listening.
stereo speakers so he can speak to you, a camera so he can see you, and a unique flexible exterior for added non-verbal cues. And what's more, Peeqo comes with a personality to match.
Look at me. It's clear to all of you that I am awesome.
So go check out the Kickstarter and back Peeqo today to help us go into production so that you can bring the most delightful, the most entertaining, and the hippest little bot into your home, office or classroom that completely redefines the way we interact with robots today. And before we sign off, Peeqo, do you have anything to add?
Oh, and in case I don't see you,